What's good, Car Life Nation? Back here again with another video. Hooking up the boost gauge in my Audi A4. Show you how you gotta do it. So you can take this off, cut a hole, put something right there like I did. Let me find it. Like right here. And I'm just gonna stick it right here. And this piece. But I just gotta loosen it up and run it through. I got more line, but I'm gonna cut this to connect to this T. And then you gotta find a grommet that'll run down to your floorboard. So I got that one right there. So you come in the car, come down. Mine runs right here. Up over to this, up into the field by the field box, up into right here, and then I got it connected right here to my boost gauge, and then I'm gonna tape the bottom of this stuff, so because I'm gonna have it over this vent, so it will get hot, and I don't want it to get hot, so I'm just gonna cover it. And then I'm gonna screw it because I already had it here before, but I did it wrong. I didn't have enough tube, and I was pinching the wires and that. And I'll give you guys the results after I finish hooking it up and show you guys. And this how it looks after you do fit the boost gauge in. You got this going through here, going up, going to your T. Your T goes through, over, down to the grommet, up and over, and then all hooked up. Sorry for the noise. My neighbor's cutting his grass. But that's how it is. Y'all enjoy your day. Peace out.